Mantie jarama lulwe TV an kinde makare. Ma indi en wan kuko mar wach kod an Jeff Olomba kai kinde ka kinde. Wadwaro rango budget mabene ne osomnwa ko jatend migawo mar weche mag omenda man migosi Henry Rotich. Wadwaro rango achiel kachiel kaka ne budget ni ri opogi koni kod kocha. Wadwaro rango ne to ang'o mayudango tango mayudango e studio odiochieng' makawuono. Antiere kod jalony e studio kaindi mabende usenene kinde ka kinde ka wana kod e studio kaindi ma en Richard Orenga bro mi thuolo mondo mi omosu an bende kod wende studio odiochieng' makawuono mar lemo ayo kan mokwongo. Arwako e studio.
Erokamano Jeff.
Mosoganda.
Nyikwara mogi kamoro moro muntie nyinga Richard Orengo kako ang'e ane wuod Kisumu County.
Mosoganda baba.
Erokamano Jeff. Erokamano ahinya Jeff kuom miya thuolo mar biro studio ka. Kendo mar loso kod jopiny e weche mag dongruok kuom joyuth. Mokwongo kachako kod nyinga iluongo no Meno Thomas. An jatelo mar rowere kendo an jatelo e weche mag korka siasa kendo weche mag dongruok to moloyo an e election mabiro niendi olapandong e gine mar MCA komar MCA Muhoroni constituency e ward mar Ombei. Erokamano e kuom rwaka.
En jatelo mar rowere mage?
An jatelo mar rowere mag Nyanza Youth for Uhuru Ruto. Ma en rowere moa kuonde mopogore opogore e piny mar Nyanza kata e gwenge mag Nyanza ma oamua kendo giresolve ni gidwaro miyo Ker Uhuru Kenyatta thuolo mar ariyo kendo mondo bed Ker mar pinywa ma Kenya.
Rokamana nya arwako e studio. Achiel kachiel bro chako kod Richard Orengo. Budget ne osom juma mokalo. Per migosi Henry Rotich kendo nano ka mwandu opogi koni kod kocha odhi migepe mopogore opogore. Ka wachako ng'i mos kapok warango ne to mane manodhi kanye mane madhi kanye. In jalony e weche mag research kachiel weche gi kima guchumi. Budget manosomno ni inene nade?
Mokwongo Jeff, adwana mention ni budget mane Rotich osomo nyoro was a very good budget. En budget manyalo mana pimo gi budget mane Minister mar Finance mar Kibaki
Kimunya.
Nti jameru moro manen Minister mar Kibaki 203. Mano somo budget machal kama budget ma pro-poor. Budget ma initiate ma reduce taxes on the poor. Budget ma reduce taxes on households. Budget ma promote consumption with the need ni kai promote consumption tiene ni iyao ne ji mang'eny mondo ngiep to ka ji ong'iyo gik mang'eny to ibedo gi opportunities mang'eny ma collecting tax. So jopiny benefit nikech increase consumption, to government benefit nikech be giyudo tax from mass consumption. You know ni economies of scale. So aparo ni budget ni is very well thought and budget ma bro miyo we move forward. The problem man go gi budget ni at strategic level any Uhuru Kenyatta this is the fourth budget. Even this is their fourth budget. To budget ni is the best magisesomo nyaka ne gidonje serikal. What does that mean? That means the budget ni oken based on philosophy mar Jubilee. Budget ni is based on the need ni in August Jubilee is going for an election. Koro Jubilee is doing tokenism. Gitimo gik ma they don't believe in, gik ma don't impress them, gik ma chuny gi onge because they are going for an election. Gidwani ngit kipenjo Uhuru ni bana kani donje serikal mkati ne 94 shillings. Sani kori the election mkati en 140 shillings.
Mano mogo.
I mean mogo. Mogo mar kuon. Ango mi sebedo kitimo for the last 4 years makoro sani kore kiparo ni price mar mogo nego be ning'iyo through reducing tax. Ango makori paro sani mi paro ni price mar mukati onego be ni manage. Ango mi paro sani kiseloso profit gi kambi ni mar chak for the last 4 years kori paro ni chak beche ni mala yenye dwa duoko piny. So for me it's a good budget based on principle mar economies. But the problem this budget Kenyans have been yearning for such a budget since Jubilee came into government. Even joka gi focus on gik moko mar not even economic activities. Gimoka gambling ni government ndiko economic planning policy document mar government with the national budget. Ni the word gambling be nie iye kanyo. So it means the government has recognized gambling as an economic thing. Kata ki tax at 50%. For me, things like gambling should be dealt with other legislations. Kaka manager koyo kelo cha mondo wangini bana, how do we ensure ni our society people don't fall into the addiction of gambling. Because gambling is not a good thing. It's not an economic activity. It's not something that we should say, Niketi tax 50%.
Yes.
There are people who make so much money that even 50% they can still give. And then pesa manono. Kama hiyo bwana ni 100 million manono.
Yeah.
Taacha ni 100 million hadi kwa 50 million. There's no loss on him. So kiwacho ni the tax 50%, you have not discouraged gambling. There's no investment mangata time gambling. Yeah.
Erokamna nya Orengo Richard. Winjo ka ikelo weche mopogore opogore wacho ni budget ni ober. Te wacho ni ang'o momiyo pokne otime ma budget manang'wen magisomo. Ang'o momiyo kinde ka kinde pokne gifwenyo ni weche giri temo kelo kanyo ero ni iparo ni ma budget moketi mondo lomb wang' jopiny nikech oganda dhi yiero kochopo dwe mar 8. Meno Thomas, budget inenade kaka jal mabende nitiere e kona mar Jubilee.
Erokamano ya Jeff. Adwa I'm in agreement with Sip na Orengo. Ni budget ne ber. In the sense that okni budget ni kende mosebedo maber ne japiny. Budget duto mwaseloso e Jubilee government osebedo maber ne japiny. To gimomiyo budget ni ber is in the sense that kinyo gimane CS Rotich timo. In fact, let me congratulate him and the team kum budget mane igolo a week ago. Budget ni anenoka or focus much on social projects rather than infrastructural projects. Meaning, more money has been allocated on social issues or social projects rather than infrastructure. Orengo wacho ka ni President Uhuru Kenyatta or focus much on this budget policy maber because one get election in August. But adwa kwero Orengo ni oken kamano. Enani korwa the election apa ni mano perception mar Orengo. And nikech en perception mare en gi that authority to have his perception. Otherwise, this is the best budget. We've always made good budgets ever. Koro onge ching mi bro wacho ni because kata kinyo all those budgets. It's because of the needs. When you need sani. Kinyo for example Joseph Bedokato because of drought. Okay? Drought has been there. So every particular budget, government of slot kamoro, but there are some billions of money makonyo jopiny. Kasa ni wakelo for example social development projects kama kaka koro sani iwacho nentire ka shon lakini sani wacho wach mara Jomuti. Jomuti sani oketne gi pesa moro ma every month gibiro bedo ka gika as monthly token mondo koni kaka gen nikech sani ok ginyalo yudo okonyo. Koro Orengo has a right to critique President Uhuru Kenyatta and the government of Jubilee, but Kikowatni, we are presenting this budget to the people of Kenya because we are headed to August election. Yes, it's not right. But to me, the budget was done very well. The budget it was very nice, and I'm telling you, as at now, that budget I can only describe it as an inclusive budget. In that ngata manioko kachicha, obed ya youth, obed mine, obed mondkie, obed ngata ibro ka nitiere part ne kacha. Kech OVCs obedo slotted kacha. Nitiere women fund, nitiere youth fund moket kacha. Ma billions have been given so that mondo otimango mondo okonjope.
Erokamna nya Thomas amena. Winjo shirka chielo Orengo winjo ka Thomas wacho ni okong'eyo gimomiyo wacho ni budget nyiri okelo gi Jubilee nikech gidhi ya wacho ni ma biro budget maber miwuoro. Anjo ka Orengo penjo ni to kawuone kano fwenye ni nengo mar mogo ne hinyo ganda mondo miyo duoke chien. Kawinjo ka iwuoyo wach no ero. Kawuone mano fwenye ni nengo mar mkati ne ni malo ahinya ohinyo gando nego beni duoke chien. Kawinjo ka weche gi iduoko.
Okay, wach mar mogo agone ero kamano ka CS Rotich mondo okat taxes a very basic commodities kaka mogo kendo mkate to gima mokogo. Osebed ka waneno wach mar mogo.
Higa mar 2013 kane jogi donjo telo ne mogo inyo pesa ni. Ka inyalo nyiso adieri mar wach ming'eyo.
Mogo ne apanen above 100.
Above 100.
It was 94 or above 100.
94 shillings.
Yes.
To sane ni inyo pesa ni.
And 140.
Ngoma na timo.
Gimotimo king'enia gima timore nyalo bedo ni sani ndio wacho ni koro mondo taxes obed or cut on basic commodities. Gima notimore ongeni challenges are there in government. Seche magi moro timore, for example, a crisis has happened. We don't critique the government for that crisis. It's a crisis that has happened to the government. Koro, if a financial crisis or economic crisis has happened within a particular year, for example, let's say in 2013, 2014, or 2015, or whatever, even 2016, every things are happening kinyume na expectation mar mwananchi. But let us not base our argument nikoro or cut taxes because there is interest in August. Apparently, let's look at this thing very objectively. There has been an issue because king your budget makata goal 2 weeks ni. Ibro ka budget no duong molo the one for 2030. Don't mana wacho because the one for 2016 2.26 trillion. More loss sanien 2.62 trillion. Meaning ni one give more money that we can even help the common man.
Jeff, I don't mention wouldn't be a few things.
Yes.
Nikeshe odoko wadu akoro okanya engage very very comparatively. But I don't know what you mean. One, bedoni budget to move from 2.2 trillion to 2.6 trillion.
Yes.
Is not anything. What you are not appreciating the budget deficit is bigger than the one for last year. Okay, ni pesa na one going fuko, yes. And we have increased the deficit.
Yeah.
Koro watimo projection at 2.6 trillion. But I don't know Dogchi and Martin. Budgeting, what goes budget is an economic planning policy. I don't know engage Guinea at principle level.
Yes.
This is an economic principle. Iwinjo. Wawe pick gik moko on that budget wacho ni sani koro ni mogo Dogchi. The issue enia mogo should have not come to 140 in the first place. Yeah. That is it. Number 8, the economic principle enia. What informed the decisions that we made to put these things in the budget? One, Newa made a tax on beer. What informed that decision? That decision was informed sometime back during Kibaki government by the issue of overconsumption of alcohol. Maninti issues of road accidents, youth, mabedo indulge Congo. So, every no kawach Congo no ket malo. Issue Marandawa, yeah. What informed the decision to keto tax mangenya ndawa? To discourage smoking because there was health effects. Inya paro kangilu ni Minister of Health. Iminjo Jeff. Sa nikoro winjo ko uru wacho ni bwana ndawa maonge filter. Nikoro gikete piny mondo jo pinyo madhe. Ni ndawa koro gikete ni jo pinyo madhe. Is that not an election tokening? Nikoro ndawa koro jo pinyo nyalo madho. Yeah. Ni bia moko ma cheap gi to mago to koro wagole tax ni jo pinyo to nyalo madho. Nikoro moko kae mwakete tax malo. It shows you ni bana the people thinking about the policy. Okoketo a deep principle behind it. Ogionge gimilong ni economic principle. Iwinjo kage makes gik moko ni jodongo koro wadhi miyo wadhi chulo ne health care. First of all, do they even know how many jodongo we have? So what are you budgeting? Kikia kana ni jodongo ginadi. Number 2, you are saying ni miyo youth pesa. What is the principle behind this thing? You look at the government is pushing for technical and vocational training, which goes into youth employability and empowerment. Then the government is budgeting for loans to give youth. What are you giving? What basis are you giving people loans? Giving people loans is a good thing. But what is the principle behind it? What are you trying to achieve with your human resource capital, which is the youth? What are you trying to achieve with them? For me, the focusing for Kenya, there's so many people with degrees. Degrees are managerial qualifications. What is lacking in Kenya and technical vocational technicians, jo lwedo, jo goranda, jo mechanic, jo ango. So if we could invest more on technical vocational training so that loan becomes to address a need.
Yes.
Maji wacho ni bana wan ngani kijana ni dwago randa to onge pesa mari yao kamogo randa. But give me a loan to kia kata go randa. Kata ina mi loan to kia kata tuango watch. What are you going to do with that money? So the idea is a good idea. But what is the principle behind it? So if the government of Kenya under Jubilee does not link what they are doing in the economic policy planning with the principal document, and one of our main principal document, ilongoni, the blueprint for Vision 2030,
yes,
ma outline the pillars of our economy from 2005 to 2030. Project Nibana for Kenya to move to be a mid-level economy by 2030. These are the things we must focus on. Talking about government is going back and forth on steps. there's no congruence between gima government plan, gima giwacho, give the blueprints. Nikech kok base your things on blueprints, you base your things on reacting. Ni uru winyo ni drought inti. Drought obede in the first place nango. Why is there a drought? Why are you not dealing with the issues? Disaster risk management.
Yes.
Disaster risk management ni pre-planning mitigation. Ko kitimo pre-planning mitigation, tibu ko rini koro factories mogolo relief food o miojima no the miogitas. That's a reactionary mechanism. What are we putting in place to ensure ni bana what imo remediation? What imo predetermined prevention of these disasters so that we reduce the impact. Okwacho ni jok bitho ni drought.
Yes.
Wacho ni bana the impact nyaka duok piny. Wangyo likelihood to compare the impact. Quatimo that matrix.
Yes.
Then it gives us proposals of what are the things we need to do in our budget, which is our policy, economic policy, and based on the blueprints mawango. One give sustainable development goals, which are the global objectives. One give vision 2030. These are the government optimally magek mogo ni watimo bwana ni gini meet team. No. Things are done based on a policy and principle. Yeah, Jeff. Yeah.
Thomas, imiduacho
Jeff adwa duoko Orengo wuyo about so many things. And or mention so many terms. But other needs Orengo one thing. For a whole government to come for a decision, to make a decision, that same government must have been informed. What informed the government in 2013 to propose the budget in 2013 is not what is informing the government to propose to give out the budget today. Because things change. The crisis that we had in 2013 are not the same crisis we had in 2014. The same way are not the same crisis we have today. You see? Gambling was not an issue in 2013. But today, most of our young people are so much into gambling. So the government is imposing tax 50% on gambling so that to discourage youths from getting involved into gambling, because gambling is destroying our youths. So what informs the government? Government has advisors, economic, from all sectors of our economy. All sectors. So we are being, the government doesn't just come out.
Yes,
from
I agree
the
with what he's saying.
Yes.
That the government is advised. And I agree. You're very right. Only that Jubilee is not being advised. It's not appearing like it is being advised.
No. You see, that is now the problem. The problem is you do not take time to understand why the government was informed to make such decision. You just
what was the decision
appear.
to reduce the tax on filterless cigarettes?
The decision.
Linda, the price, the filter, we have always taxed cigarettes because of the cancer issue, and we're dealing with health issues in cigarettes. And that was informed by our research. Okay, when Gill was Minister of Health. What has informed now the government to reduce tax on those cheap unfiltered cigarettes? Let's not talk general. Give me one example. Why have you reduced? Why have Jubilee government, not you necessarily, but what informed the government to reduce tax now on cigarettes? And we had made a principle. It was a principle based on research that we need to tax cigarettes to discourage smoking. So what has made government now to reduce tax on cigarettes?
Let me tell you.
Let's take that fine example.
Yes, I want to answer you this way. Don't argue as if it appears as if. Don't say it appears as if the Jubilee government is not being advised.
Let's come back to this example.
Yes, the example.
I want you to live generally.
No.
I want you to go to specific things because
yes,
when we
talk
general things, Jeff,
yes.
and I want us to make this clear. We are not in a rally.
Yes.
Let's talk about technical, specific. We are discussing the budget.
Yes.
The listener or the viewer who is looking at us wants to learn from this discussion.
Yes.
Okay? So that when you talk about specific things and we give specific solutions to specific things that are related to our existing document, the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, the Vision 2030, which is a blueprint document, we cannot say that the focusing, it's a focusing document. The way the blueprint is developed, it's supposed to work with us strategically at strategic level up to 2030.
Yes.
Few things can change because they have allowed you to change, but the principle should not change. The principle of economic movement from 2005 to 2030 should not change, because that's what defines what Kenya wants to look like, and how we go there is in that blueprint.
I want to take an example, not your example. I will pick my own example from that budget, and I will bring you back to gambling. Okay? The reason why, if you look at the gambling initially, currently, it was at 7.5%.
What 7.5% of what?
The tax was being cut at 7.5%, okay? Now, what informs the decision of the government to increase from 7.5 to 50? Manong Jeff, from 7.5 to 30 to 50. Why is the government doing that? Because the government has understood from all sectors of our economy, a lot of youths are being engulfed in that particular in gambling. So we are saying to save our young people. Now let me tell you now what informs the government to increase that tax.
Wacho ni makoro gitimo mondo discourage koso gi encourage gambling. The first point kan iwuo ni wacho ni ichalo ngama wacho ni ok gi discourage gambling.
Jeff, kidwange ni sai moko Jubilee's reactionary.
Yes.
And I was telling you this. Last month, 2 months ago, yes, the MP, the minority leader of ODM, MP Magem Constitution Jacob Midiwo, yes, brought a bill in parliament to curb gambling in this country. It is Jubilee government that lobbied and blocked that bill because that was an institutional framework to manage gik miwacho nikech koro react giwacho ni bana wakero tax again.
Yes.
But there was a legal, because you need to deal with it from a legislative perspective. Put in a principle behind it. Jacob Midiwo proposed a legislation to deal with this so that it will deal with the whole gambling issues. Yes. Now Jubilee is reacting ni bana ke yodo to worthing at 50%. What is that?
Okay,
what principle is that based on?
Jeff, let me say this.
Can you again make your pause?
Yes.
MP Jacob Midiwo kelo bill.
Yes.
Legislative framework,
yeah,
to deal with this issue. Gedage.
I want to say this.
A budget.
Jeff, I want to say this. On legislative matters, we have an arm of government that deals with it. And within that arm of government, which is the parliament, it is mandated that majority rules. So if Jacob Midiwo brought a bill in parliament and it was not passed, you don't blame Jubilee government for not passing that. You blame the people of Kenya because the people of Kenya are the people who have represented in parliament. Yes.
That really makes sense.
Yes.
In a Jubilee kind of argument.
It's not that
because if you look at things, Jeff, sometimes we need to be very serious about these things. You cannot deal with a problem by throwing it into an annual financial policy. You deal with a problem by thinking about it and putting up a legislative framework.
Yes.
Kiwacho ni Jubilee ok no post gini. Don't forget, nikatamana nowadays we are in a process called participatory budgeting process. Yes. And this budget is not just made by Uhuru and Rotich. These budgets are participatory, but it is Rotich who brings in the focusing. Nibana one this time order focus on this, on this, on this. The reason why I'm telling you this thing must be based on a principle. Yes. And there are what we call political ideologies and principles. There's social democracy. There's what. A government that is mixing so many things into one, then it shows you that they don't know what you're doing. How can you avoid a policy structure through a legislative process? My bill, what Jubilee should have done, Adam Duale mobilized MPs literally to oppose the bill Mar gambling. I can tell you the truth. The Jubilee government has been using gambling through things like gambling companies to loot in money laundering, pesa mokwal through Eurobond, mokwal through Kanye. This money is laundered back into the economy through gambling. That's why they cannot be very firm on gambling. Of course, ngamakwalo pesa. Jubilee makwalo pesa. Who is stealing the money? Eurobond ngamakwalo.
Let me say this, Jeff.
So Jeff, we must look at this thing in a comprehensive way.
Erokamana inya orengo gi Thomas. Obruka yu matin ka eto duga chiel odwa rango ni waneno ka omenda no oketi mopogore opogore. Wadwa rango ni to maro were miwacho ni sani oket ne rowere mieri en bendo osebet to bendo osekonyo to osekonyo yo machalo nade. Waneno ka nitiere agency mopogore opogore machalo kaka EACC bende sani eri omi pesa kod sirikal mar Jubilee mieri. Wadwa mondo warango wach ni mondo wang'e ni to ka koro wacho ni oket 50% tax e wach gambling. Sirikal nitiere kod dwaro mane. Gidwa ni mondo gi discourage gambling koso gi encourage gambling. To mokwongo gambling ni ribe en ohala. Wadwa rango ni to be en ohala makuri keto ne mondo mi ong'ade e usuru. En ohala koso ok en ohala.
In my opinion, gambling enoala. Yeah.
What is being sold? What is being bought and what is being sold?
Akine makare jara Malulu TV maendi ni kukumar wach kendo wacha koduoga chiel ka chiel kawantire kaini kod Richard Rengo ka chiel kod Thomas Mabene ene jatelo mar rowere e gwenge mag Nyanza kocha chande e kweth mar Jubilee Party. Orengo en jat ma olonye weche ma timore kinde ka kinde mabene osebedo godo e studio kaini. Nwa kawiyo matine kanu wadhi to nwarango weche mag gambling. Nwarango ndio bene serikal dwa nyaye kuso serikal thire. Ne wacho ni serikal sani temo mondo mi uthire. Koso ne mokwongo ne wacho ni gitemo mondo gi.
Wacho ni gitemo mondo thire.
Gitemo mondo githire.
Gimomiyo
to ne openji ko wuogo Rengo ni gambling en ohala nade. Ang'o ma iuso?
Gambling ok en ohala.
Ok en ohala.
En ohala.
En ohala.
En ohala. Nikech iyudo ohala en kama ng'ato dhi kete pesa ne. En ng'ama gima odhi onyiewo gimoro to loso godo profit. Iwinjo. Manyiso ni seche ma ja youth okawo pesa odhi otimo go betting kata tidhi yudo ni ja youth dong otimo chal gimo dhi nyiewo service mar sport pesa en that service mar tiyo gi website gi mondo o bet ni to game mane madhi win donge. That is the service. Koro seche ma odhi onyiewo that service to service no koduogo ne gimoro ene mo lose. To ka service omiye gimoro to ene mo win, meaning oyudo profit. Iwinja. But nado wacho gimoro kuom Orengo no wacho gimoro to nado dwaro respond on legislative matters. Aneno ka Orengo is trying to undermine the legislative arm of the government. Seche ma MPs kata wabunge nitiere parliament kata they represent the entire country. Wacho ni Duale no dhi rally MPs mo dhi ogengo bill mondo bed passed. It's very wrong because Duale did not go and I cannot just convince you go and do something. No, those people must have read the bill and opposed it or accepted it. So I think we need not to undermine the legislative arm of the government because we have over 290 heads representing the entire country in there. So those people, and they know their roles of being there. So I don't think at their level someone can come and just fool them around that we need you to vote in protest of this particular bill. It is very wrong. The very first time we will start realizing change is the very first moment we will accept and admit that this is our government. Welcome the government and welcome the decisions that the government is making on us.
Yes. You know one thing. What he's saying is that it's like religion. He's making government be like a religion. So your work is to believe what the government say. One, the government uses our tax. Everybody who is on a pay slip or a business, they pay tax to the government. It is not our business to beg the government to do for us anything. It is the responsibility of the government, because the government, for us to realize change is not us accepting what the government says. For us to realize change, we must first of all position ourselves as the employer, because it is our money that the government is using to do what they're doing. So it is our responsibility to demand from the government. Yes. That's number one. Number two, the notion that is creating nintie independent MPs moko magine parliament, then the somo bill, then gi understand, then gi pingo based on their own merit. That's fallacy. Okay. We know very well. I can tell you the last time Uhuru dwaka the budget, yes. Manodwa dhi chulo go ginene loan mar scandal mar no. Scandal pesa moro mane gikwalo during Kibaki, then Uhuru approved Ken Minister of Finance. Can I give you a loan? I'll remember it. Okay. But what they did, and Uhuru, because MPs no question yes. on what he's going to do with the money, cannot say approved him on whether to loan, which was also stopped by the court. Uhuru no longer MPs magjubilite. Sereno Silver Spring kai. To ngio negi lunch. To wacho negi ni gidoge at parliament. To gindik na nyingata ngata mapingo bill no. Mondo nge nenanga. That's propaganda. When they went back, what happened? They passed it immediately. So the issue Manyaki appreciate the structure of parliament. Yes. That's why there's someone called a whip. A whip tije nango. A whip tije in mobilizing the party side. That's why it's called a whip. There's someone called a majority leader. There's someone called minority. These structures in parliament, Nyaku appreciate their functionality and appreciate the mobilization, whipping and mobilizing a party section in parliament is part of a parliamentary system. Kidwa wacho ni bana ni onge ng'ama inyalo bedo mobilized based on their party nikech they have been elected by 210 people. That's fallacious.
Wach kama Jeff.
Yes, wach mapiyo piyo mondo wadhi wach moko.
On wach Jacob Midiwo. Ang'o momiyo Jacob Midiwo at his own position nokonyal mobilize mondo members of parliament to pass this bill? What influence does majority leader Aden Duale has in parliament that
You should have asked what influence he has on Jubilee members.
what, but then you can do the same to NASA or CORD for that matter, so that they can rally to do that.
Jeff, let's go on.
Erokamana
Jubilee make some arguments I can't
Erokamana
because
iwacho ni in jatelo mar rowere e gwenge mag Luo Nyanza mag motendo kod Jubilee. Ipenjwa maber ni dwani mondo kik gol dibet nyiri moko wacho weche mag rowere. Wacho ni budget odhi rowere no migi omenda madirom bilion 18.3. Niswa ni omenda ni eriero ine wacho ni ijatelo mar rowere. Osebedo ka konyo rowere nade. Sani ka omigi to en paro mane mapiyo.
Okay, Jeff, erokamana.
Wacho ni akete mag Luo Nyanza.
Adwa wuoye wach Luo Nyanza nikech Luo Nyanza
Yes.
king'iyo kata in terms of development wan chien matin.
Now, one chin compared to who?
Wan chien matin king'iyo kata kaka our youths are engaged. Ibiro doka a lot of our youths are not engaged in things that are economic.
Wan chien kirango gi jok magi, gi rowere magi.
Awacho
Wacho mane Luo Nyanza. Wachak wang'ie ni to wang'ie gi sembe ipimo gi nyamin. En Luo Nyanza gi.
Awacho ni
And it's based on which research? By which people?
one chain in terms of economic in this sense. Kingio, the generally youths are affected, but Nyanza is more affected. More affected. Iwinjo. Kora wacho kama. Iwacho ni CS rotational miwa 18.3 billion. This money, it has its different departments. Miketega. Mokongo wan gi migao mar Uwezo Fund, wan gi Youth Development Fund, to wan gi moro mar Women. A youth Uwezo Fund idwaro ga ni ja youth gimanyore a group 5 to 15. Gitemo application a Uwezo Fund. Gi request, gitero business proposal or business plan. Then if it's approved at the constituency level, then they are given the money to start that particular business. Because unemployment has become a crisis in this country. Koro ka gitimo kamano seche ma giendesha biashara gicha tiyudo ka giyudo pesa moro matin ginyalo nyiewo godo chiemo.
Itime kamano kamoro amora.
Kamane kaka itime.
Kenya te.
Kamane kaka itime.
Tamo ni joluo wacho ni jo Nyanza ni chien.
Okawacho ni gin chien in terms of miyo ji pesa.
Kara gin chien yango. Imiyo gi pesa to ok gidongre.
In terms of economic development, one chien.
Ango matimre.
One chien. Koro on youth issues, iyudo ka kochopo constituency okata Nyanza kende, in other regions ibiro yudo ka kochopo constituency jomanie constituency kacha MR stamping block mondo our youth do not get the money. But we would like to encourage constituency officials nigi have some technical trainings. In fact, onego benigi train youth, gi take them through kaka ginyalo loso business plan, ginyalo identify a business idea, gitimo feasibility study, makuro gi stabilize that. Ok ginyalo miyo gambia pesa ni ero dhiuru.
But don't Jubilee mo allocate 18 billion?
Token mo allocate 18 billion.
They should allocate money for training capacity. Gikmi wacho mabechogo.
Yes.
That's what the money should be allocated for. Not for loan.
No, the money is that 18.3 billion is facilitating the entire process.
Koro pesa di mag youth ka loan.
Koro gima timre seche menya no gipogo pesa cha. Gipogo ga pa constituency.
No, what I'm asking,
yes.
Not adimo me constituency. What I'm asking, any pesa di koro out of that budget. Madine youth alone itself, apart from training, gikmitemo.
Mano, I cannot tell from here because those details koro kidhi Uwezo Fund koro gima figures. Ni out of 18.3 billion, they take maybe 10.
So that's why I was saying,
yes.
Ni kiki watch ni youth, ni bana koro mi 18 billion. Kagi me 18 billion yan pesa moro oket nyayo stadium kae, my youth dito kao. Because almost 60% of that money, almost 60% of that money is going into administration, staff payment, gimi wacho mangeny mondik go. Almost 60% of that money. So pesa mi nyalo wacho ni is directly going for the youth. My youth nyalo access as a loan. Is only 40%.
Okay, what informs your decision or your...
Because you are the one who has... Don't give me structures, mother. You are the one who has told me those structures.
Why do you give 60% administrative?
Let me tell you. Let me tell you how the government position up. Ntie gimilo development budget. Budget kako somni. Don't say ni 2.6 trillion ni mano pesa makoro wango. Ntie gimilo recurrent cost, which is apportioned based on the structures that are there to run that development.
But Okonya
Then
60%.
Then ntie
60% mano kare government.
and that's why I'm telling you. Do you know why the government of Kenya has a deficit? It's because 60% of its budget is going into operation, recurrent cost. Yes. 40% is going to development, and then that deficit no, is put in that 40%. That's why most things are planned and they don't happen. My friend, look at, you need to be reading government reports.
I read those reports. But Kata Kiwacho Kamano, still, the point is clear. There is a stumbling block at the constituency level.
But today we are
which
dealing.
Is your constituency?
Today we are dealing with.
Which is your constituency?
Kisumu Central.
Kisumu Central. How many youth groups are currently accessing Uwezo Fund?
I'm not a youth leader for Jubilee to know that.
No, I'm not saying you must be a Jubilee.
Let me tell you what should happen.
I'm not asking
this.
that you
we are
must
discussing the national budget.
Yes,
We're with Kisumu Central.
But I'm giving you an example because I'm coming from Momoni.
How many youths are accessing in Moroni?
Only 30 youth groups.
So it also tells you.
It also
tells you that the idea of having a youth fund, Muket Kanyo, is not helping youth.
No, it should be helping in the sense that.
And it's not helping. It should be helping, but it's not helping. Do you agree that it's not helping?
It's not. It's helping because already the 30 groups are already being helped.
So how many are not being helped?
There could be quite a number of groups.
So it's helping very few people, which is negligible.
But it's helping. The point is it's helping. That means we need to advance the efforts to register more groups, youth groups, and train them. After training them, then give them the funds.
If you look at the last year financial budget,
yes.
Do you know how much of that budget that was allocated to youth remained?
But how do you want the government to give out money if they have not received the applications?
That's why I'm telling you that money, the 40% that I'm telling you, which was part of the deficit, government deficit, that 40% on paper is what remained. The actual money that was released was spent in recurrent
expenditure.
That's the problem. So we are saying, let's not do this thing because it's good to say and do. Let's do this thing based on a principle. Let's think about it and say, what are our blueprint documents saying? Kikowacha made team on 18 billion. Because what you have been marketing here is that this budget is good because we have 18 billion. You don't have 18 billion.
No, not that we have 18 billion.
You don't have.
But in undermine, ni 60% the administration. I don't want to give you if even those 60% go to administrative purposes and what any 40% don't catch. 40% Kawa because administration includes training all these people. Kawa 40% mudongcha.
Yeah.
To the ground, officials called the Chako.
Do you know where that 40% is? That 40% is part of the national government deficit. It is on paper. It's not real money. So if there's no loan from World Bank and UNDP, then it's not there. Money is part of the deficit.
Perception Mari also be tuned.
No, it's not perception Mara.
Because from
money anga masomo man.
Lingine maoni anga somo wanyisi from the very first time michako godo. From the very first time michako godo. Wawazi kama from the very first time michako godo. Onge gimora mara positive mise watch about you.
I said the government is good. Jeff, don't know any budget. Don't know any budget.
Budget ni wacho ni ber.
Don't know any ber kabisa. Kendo ber kabisa.
Thomas.
Ni critic na ngombe nsani.
It must be criticized because our work as analysts, as researchers, as development economy is to criticize so the government can take these ideas and put
That's
to improve.
Where we go wrong.
This is called positive criticism. What we are doing is called positive criticism. We are sharing ideas that can help improve. We are saying that let's not just defend, let's ask why, so that can help us as a country, because what we need to do in Kenya is to talk about things and have ideas, so that we put these ideas together and as a country develop together. But if we say pinga bana, no, I'm not fingering. I'm saying that this is being done, but this can be done better.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Ever since Jubilee came into power, is there any positive thing about Jubilee?
There are so many positive things.
Okay, one.
Apart from There's a standard gauge railway from Mombasa,
Yes.
which is coming here.
Yes.
We have improved the hub at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We
Yes.
have the Kenya Airports Authority doing a good job.
Yes.
Kenya Railways Authority is doing a good job.
Yes.
We are having a problem in Kenya Airways on how that is being done. But there are other sectors. We have infrastructure on ICT, which is very good. We now have online platforms and a number of good things.
Yes.
We must say that. But we must also say that 70% of what should have been done has been done badly. And we cannot keep quiet.
No.
This is the government that has stolen
I want to.
the highest amount of money since the history
I
of
want
this
to challenge
country.
you,
Thomas,
I want to. That's
Thomas,
a statement.
Donga kwani
Thomas,
niki mabe
Just
majibu
a
letimo.
statement.
Thomas.
Just a
Donga kwani
statement.
niki mabe majibu letimo.
I want to tell you something. In 2032, when Jubilee will be relinquishing power.
To who?
ere kake wacho 2032
To who?
kwa dhi hiyo mar
Relinquishing to who?
27 kata
Let me just-
2017
let me
kwa
just-
dhi.
let me-
Relinquishing to who?
Now to other parties, or to other now.
You are saying 2032 Jubilee will not be defeated because you don't relinquish power in Kenya. The Kenya is a democracy where we selective competitive politics.
That's
How
what-
do you relinquish power?
In 2034.
Jubilee is now resigned.
Now will no. But probably when another candidate who is powerful than Jubilee will take power.
It's not about candidate. We are talking about parties or candidates.
Yes, it's party, but already there's a presidential candidate that will be able to have powers to defeat them.
Yes. You see,
now,
the
that's what
problem
I'm saying.
is running away from what we are discussing.
No.
Is going into other things that are not even necessary.
No, what I'm saying is this:
2032.
in 2032, Kenya will be a developed country.
Iwacho ni Thomas wacho macho kanyo modhira nono ni 2032 me Jubilee welo cho kanyo ni in yiero mar 2017 isetimo 2022 isetimo
2027 begi setimo
pra kapok ji odhi
Wanyisi.
oseyier
Yes, on.
duokani wache chiel oseyier
Pok wadhi e yiero.
Karang'o miwacho
Gima miyo
we discuss gik mantie
Let's discuss things that are factual and are there.
Yes.
Let's not speculate ni wawacho gik madhi timore kiny gorucha. You don't even know what is going to happen tomorrow. Koro nyiswa gima ntiere sana.
Yes.
Okinyal ringo ni tero wang'wech nyaka 2032 yet kata dwe mar aboro mar yiero pok
Pok watimo kata party
Gima
no.
miyo
wang'eyo
wacho
kata
kamano.
2022 ng'ama dhi bet.
Gima miyo
Mano
wacho
koro
kamano.
iwuok kaka psycho fan.
No, kawuok kaka psycho fan. Gima wacho en ma.
Because you know this is a national
King
platform.
Idwaro mondo wayie ni 2032 wayie wan go rengo kwa bet ka.
Koro wa accept
ni
wacho
wacho ni 2032 Kenya
on
dhi
national
develop
TV.
nikech
Wacho ni koro
Jubilee
Jubilee
they will
relinquish.
launch 2032 honestly.
Awacho kama.
On a
You want
national
us to agree
TV.
with
Wayie
you?
kamano.
Wayie
Gima wacho
kamano
no.
ni 2032 Jubilee will launch. Wawuoyo kodi go rengo.
Before we engage, no discuss gini.
Wawacho ni koro sewacho ni 2032 koro wayie mondo wa move on. Kech iwuoyo kamano.
No, kawach ni achuno.
Aya
Thomas,
Thomas nyiswa kake wacho ni ne jatelo mar rowere Kisumu mabende champion for re-election mar Uhuru Ruto government e dwe mar aboro. That one is a good statement. To gik nyiswa mar 2032. Ang'o ma inyalo nyiso oganda wa ni mondo chako yier godo sirikal mar Jubilee kata ineno ni gisetiyo nade kaka
But I've also appreciated the good things they have done.
yes
And I've mentioned.
Ero kamano Jeff. Ntire Jubilee government in my opinion and government mapok no wayudo nyaka ne wayud loch kuom wasunge. To anyalo kono ni achiel ariyo adek gik ma government osetimo ma osekonyo japiny. However, wasebedo kod challenges kaka government. Any other government nigi challenges. Mano I accept. Gimo kuongo ma Jubilee osetimo kabisa mane Orengo bo mention standard gauge railway. King'iyo that
inyalo wacho moko rengo wacho makano se wacho standard gauge railway wacho
Mane gikwalo 70% of the money.
ok no wakwalo Orengo ngeni kanyo koro it Jubilee.
Can I give you figures?
Ling monde watieki.
idwaro figures mag standard gauge railway
Watiek dongi penja.
Yes,
Wa penja wache. Koro gima wacho en ma.
yes
King'iyo health sector. Though it has had challenges, but sani minewa man kod muoch man kod madwa deliver nyithindo kage dhie hospital ibiro yudo it's free at first.
Manyosha gikwalo 5 billion.
Monday ngani nga Monday no kwa kwalo shilingi billion a bit.
No quality.
No, the investigation is going on and people who will be found perpetrators will be prosecuted. Kiwinjo Orengo wenyero anyisi what
I'm defending Jubilee Tech. You have a hard job.
no I'm not having a hard job.
I say wacho health watch
Yeah.
no moro
Aya gimi kichak inyo mar ariyo.
yes
Education. Emigao mar education
laptop society skunde
Ling Mondi already schools nitie man gi laptop sani.
no wach ni sani by sani onego bedni nyithindo tema ni public schools jo class achiel ni kode
Gima nyaki ng'e
gin kode koso gionge
nitie nyithindo mosechako kode. Ok inyal chaka kawuono ni tiketo laptops e school te. Mokwongo kineno last mile project. Gimomiyo ne ok onyal
ne wawacho ni kwa bire power after 100 days nyithindo biro bedo gi laptop.
Yes.
Aya, no katimo kamano
en
because
odiochienge adi?
Ling Mondi, no katimo kamano because of one thing. Nitie skunde ma ne onge stima.
To ne ok think ni skunde stima onge mondo promise laptop. Who promise laptop?
Ling Mondi atiek.
That's why I'm saying you don't think.
No.
If you thought, you'd have known first of all we need steam. So you'd have said in the first term, wadhi keto steam e skunde te. Then in the second term, wadhi keto laptop. To kichako gi laptop onge steam.
Thomas kiyudo nyathi modenyo to gi skul ok odhi. Ang'o mibiro address mokwongo?
To steam kete class ma onge. Kata class onge.
Yudo kodenyo.
Nyathi mokwongo.
Odenyo to fuwo, ibiro timo ang'o mokwongo?
To amiye chiemo mondo.
To
kaka na class mosome ma onge. Laptop odhi bedo tie
Ere
yie.
ng'ama nowacho ni nyithindo ne onge chiemo at that time.
Ana penji. Mana
Yes.
ka otengo ne temo penji priorities ni to dak nung'e ni okay.
Ni stima onge.
Wakwongo address wach mar stima mondo kwa promise ni within 100 days kata 200 days.
Gima nyaki
laptop
ng'e,
ibet.
gima nyaki ng'e, kane wa contact Microsoft, Ling Mondi. Ingeni government ok ene gima wuok kawuono.
No contract Microsoft kose JKuat. Nikech aparo JKuat ema no develop. Which one did you contract?
Ling Mondi anyisi. Laptop project
Yes.
is being rolled out. How many children do you have in Kenya?
You're the
There-
government
There
There
Tell
are
us.
so
Figures,
many.
mabe.
There are so many. Rolling out a laptop project for these students, children, is not just a one
But
day.
why
How
did
many
you say
watch
100
100
days?
days?
Why did you
No,
say
no,
100
no,
days?
no.
How many
days.
watch 100 days?
Ne watch 100 days
Oh.
because ne wang'eyo ni immediately mano wadonje power, things would be streamlined.
Man, they
Now,
can't defend. There's
Gimomiyo
nothing
nokwa-
there. Give me a
what's
stadium.
the-
Stadium adima gisegero.
So watch stadium
Ah,
mane
ah,
video
donge
listen.
wach- ah?
Watch laptop wang'e ni skunde mang'eny pod onge
And
kode.
just
Koro
fail
onge
there.
tiende mondo
Yeah.
owuoye wach no. Nyiso wach mar stadiums mane ochiki.
Stadium the challenge mane wan godo nikech kana wadonje government, the economy ne ni piny.
The economy. What was the growth rate mar Kenya when you came?
2013.
Okay, let me start.
What
from-
was the growth rate? What was the economy
so
in
it's
the
like growth rate at
page?
2013
Let's be factual.
Yes.
As we speak,
What was the growth rate in 2013?
as we speak,
The
it
economy-
is 6.4%.
No, what was it
Openji
in 2013?
2013.
Yes.
Ne en gimoro 0.1 kobiro kanyo endo.
The economy of Kenya has never grown at 0.1%.
No, Lingine Mondi.
Which figures are you talking about?
Mondi, after 2007, after post-election violence, everything was back to zero.
No. The economy dropped from 9 to 6.2 during the election.
Zero.
Then it moved. Kibaki brought it back to 8 point something. Sane 86 point, and you're saying it was zero.
No. Ineno, Uhuru no gole 0.1. Sani
0.1 man. The economy 0.1 economy in 1998. Economy
Kind of
recovered.
the election 2007.
No, this is
and
zero.
the
What is
skirmishes,
zero? What is
No
0.0?
duogo piny.
Not to zero. We have not been to zero.
No, duogo
Okwanyal bedo
piny.
zero. Ing'eyo gi zero kiwacho to ing'eyo gi vitamo nyiso ni zero no. Onge gi.
Maybe we agree at zero.
Bada.
We have never been at zero.
No,
At
no,
zero.
duogo piny.
Let me tell you, kama na 98 money more you can loan. Kani wa develop union economic recovery strategy 2012. We have never been at zero. Into zero money me wacho.
No, wabiro piny.
Zero money.
No, wabiro piny to
Piny
zero.
to what?
To?
Piny to what?
To 1.2.
Thomas, erokamano kuom chopo e studio achiel kachiel. Waneno ka temo wuoyo achiel ka iwacho ni bendi dhi chung'
Adhi chunga e kom mar mi MCA.
Jubilee
Ombe-
Party.
Odo be MC na.
MCA.
Oh, idwa bedo MC mar Orengo gi Jubilee Party.
Yeah, what manore.
Ombe is my home. Yeah.
To koro kabdi bedo jatendi.
Odo be MC na.
Adwa ni mondo koro kwadhi kucho chote. Igonwa kura. Igonwa debe water Jubilee kendo.
Erokamano. Orengo wachni mogik.
An kaka Richard Orengo adwa na wish members mag chama na ODM wadhi e party nominations. Akwayo ni jo dala obed gi kwe. Watim party nominations maber. Wayier the best candidates. Mondo wa goal Jubilee out of power, because we cannot have a government who is tendering, procuring, tangering and allocating and stealing. Because kawan ge economy ma in 1 year gikwalo NYS 6 billion, 16 billion, gikwalo health 5 billion, gikwalo standard gauge railway 200 billion, gikwalo Eurobond 200 billion. We cannot continue like that, because we are saying sani winjo ka government or allocate pesa to the East Wabukala Commission.
Yes, 4 billion.
Nigi miyo 4 billion.
Wabukala
Wabukala
mind Thomas mene godoko. Thomas omi EACC 4 billion. Iparo ni EACC chien ko jatanga kaka kwacho sani. Ang'o ma gisetimo ne Uganda e piny Kenya. Menyalo
Gima nyaka admit
Yes.
ni EACC osebedo gi challenges. Gima nyaka ung'e
osebedo challenge because they fail.
osebedo gi challenges.
Yeah.
Ok no se fail. Ingeni that's an independent institution. You cannot just say it failed.
But you see, that's
There
what
are
I'm
some-
saying.
there are
As
people-
Jubilee, you cannot defend AACC
No,
because it's not part of your infrastructure.
But what I'm saying is this, that is an independent institution like IEBC, like any other commission. So it has had its challenges in the sense that
What are those challenges?
the challenges has been getting evidence for the people who are corrupt. For example, Kayudi Kawuono, ni or what the speculation ni kwalo sling katamia chia. For example, the law requires we do an investigation on you. If we find evidence to prove that you are guilty, then we prosecute you.
So what has been the challenge of EACC?
The EACC has had challenges, for example, getting evidence on whether
investigators.
No, they have investigators, but what you need to understand, each and every case has its...
So joke man kanyok competent.
No, don't say that, because they are very much confident. And ever since from the time Uhuru no be the power, or say fire people who have not been working. You know, who team mora mose bido kanya to ko
say fire joke mose bido katima. Iwacho mose fire joke mose timang. Iwacho ni serikali nyaka ni biti 20 gise fire joke mose timang.
Ka usiketi EACC chair to okise timu tich maber. Then imiyo tich ngat machielo. Dong isen no kotimore.
Jok ma mibadhi osemako te osemaki motere odang'ech kata sana.
Okawach kamano. Jogo cases gi kata saje mowuene, they are still ongoing. And those cases, everyone must have to bear. The perpetrators. To nado wacho chachel Jeff.
Mapio daka chiel.
Kapok atieko. Adwa nyiso osiep na Orengo ni Uhuru Kenyatta is the president of this country. Samoro moro mibire debate ma I address Uhuru Kenyatta. Wakwayo ni at least lungeni President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Yeah.
Aya mara riyo.
Uhuru Odijomo, Uhuru cannot gag me to respect him. Uhuru should earn my respect.
Atieko.
Number one. Number two, Uhuru is my employee. I'm the person who is paying tax to pay Uhuru's salary. So I can talk to Uhuru as I want, and I must make sure, so long as it's within what is acceptable respect, human dignity,
yes,
I should be able to express myself. If Uhuru Kenyatta has done things that are good, I should be able to say that, because he's the President of the Republic of Kenya. My passport is written in the name of the President of the Republic of Kenya when I walk outside the country. And I'm a patriotic Kenyan. But when the President does things or allows things through commission and omission, things that puts Kenya in disrepute, as a patriotic Kenyan, it is my responsibility also to say them in clear, concise, and straightforward manner.
Okay, watiek. Mana daka chiel kende. Adwa wuo gi Jo Muruni.
Yes.
Jo Muruni erokamano ahinya. An ka nyathiu awuod kano ang'enu ng'eya. Muruni wadhi election. To kwa the election anakwayo mondo miya kom mar MCA Mombei. To be wan kod MP miluongo ni Engineer Ogot. Engineer Ogot en gi experience kabisa o lony e yore mag engineering. Wakwayo ni kobiro Muruni kata ang'eni osebiro unene umiye kura mondo kawadhi biro Muruni to wami Engineer Ogot kura mag Jubilee, then we elect him. Erokamano.
Onge wach Orengo.
Ana onge wach mikwara mogego numero kamano. Adwa nukaw nomination mabiro gi election mabiro very seriously, because Kenya is at a crossroad and we are at a deciding point. Amela gitugo gioyuma giweche manono mock make sense are not going to be allowed anymore. Kenyans must move to a level where we think about what we do. We don't react to situations. We think about what we do. We compare ourselves with people who are developed. Kenya must stop comparing itself with Uganda, Rwanda, these small people. Kenya must compare itself with who have developed and put in systems and structures that will enable us to move forward. Lastly,
yes,
Jeff Ntie Gimoroka emar gender rule,
yes,
and it has not been discussed.
Yeah.
But I'm seeing, and I want to advise the political parties, both Jubilee and ODM and NASA. After these elections in August, we might have a political crisis, a constitutional crisis, if we don't meet the two-third gender rule. And the way things are going. So it is high time as a people. These are the things, I want us to talk about things that unite us.
Yes.
These are the things that we need to discuss at parties and make sure that how do we ensure we have two-third gender rule so that we don't have the election more tieko. Without that, then we are going to have a crisis. Basically, those are the things for me.
Thomas. Agoni rakono kum kautulu mar biro ageno ne kwacha ko lungu mon wadu kaindo bro duga chef ka chiro mon warangu weche mabende mako oganda mapacho kaindi je fulomba ka kuma wacho Kenya.